Hello students, now we are going to continue the straight lines chapter, exercise 3b, section 3, third problem. A straight line whose inclination with the positive direction of x-axis measured in the anti-clockwise sense is pi by 3 makes positive intercept on y-axis. If the straight line is at a distance of 4 units from the origin, find its equation. This is a straight line. This line is making an angle pi by 3 with the x-axis in the anti-clockwise direction. And it's making positive intercept on y-axis. If the straight line is at a distance of 4 units from the origin, this line is at a distance of 4 units from the origin. Okay, then find the equation of the line. Now we have seen the normal form of a straight line. This is the line L. Perpendicular distance of the line from the origin is p units. This is called as the normal or perpendicular. Okay, this line ON is called as the normal. The inclination of the normal is alpha. When the inclination of the normal is alpha, the equation of this line is x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p. The inclination of this line is alpha. Then the equation of the line is x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p. Okay. So, అభిలంబ దూరము p యూనిట్లు. ఓకే, మూల బిందువు నుండి ఈ L అనే సరళ రేఖకు లంబ దూరం p. ఈ అభిలంబ రేఖ ఏం చేస్తోంది? x అక్షంతో అపసవ్య దిశలో ఆల్ఫా కోణం చేస్తే ఈ సరళ రేఖ సమీకరణం ఏమవుతుంది? x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p అవుతుంది. Now, look here. This is O, let's take, this is N. Here, there is a straight line L. ON is the normal to the line L. Okay, and the inclination of the normal is alpha. Then the equation of this line is x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p. Now, ON is the normal. This angle is pi by 3. This is 90 degrees. This is 60 degrees. Hence, this should be 30 degrees, pi by 6. The whole of this angle is 180. Then this should be 5 pi by 6. Okay. Now the normal is making an angle 5 pi by 6 with the positive direction of x-axis in the anti-clockwise direction, and the length of the normal is 4 units. Okay. Hence, the equation of the line is, equation of the straight line is x cos 5 pi by 6 plus y sin 5 pi by 6 is equal to 4. X cos 5 pi by 6 plus y sin 5 pi by 6 is equal to 4. 5 pi by 6 means 150 degrees. Cos 150 is cos 180 minus 30, which is minus cos 30. This is x into minus root 3 by 2 plus y into 1 by 2 is equal to 4. This gives minus root 3x plus y is equal to 8, or root 3x minus y plus 8 is equal to 0. This is going to be the equation of the normal. Okay. So, what we do here is, let L be the line. So, we'll write the steps like this. Let L be a line making an angle 30 degrees with the positive direction of x-axis, and making a positive intercept on y-axis. Let ON be normal to the line. Let ON be normal to L. Then inclination of normal is 180 minus 30, which is 150 degrees, which is 5 pi by 6. So, this is pi by 3, this is 90, this is 60, this is 90. Hence, this will be 30. The whole of the angle here is 180. 180 minus 30 is going to be 150. And the equation of straight line is x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p. Okay. This is how we do the problem number 3. Let's now take the problem number 4. A straight line L is drawn through the point A2, 1 such that its point of intersection with the straight line x plus y is equal to 9 is at a distance of 3 root 2 units from A. Find the angle which the line L makes with the positive direction of x-axis. I repeat once again. A straight line L is drawn through the point A2, 1 such that its point of intersection with the line x plus y is equal to 9 is at a distance of 3 root 2 units from A. Find the angle which the line L makes with the positive direction of x-axis. A 2, 1 బిందువు గుండా పోయేటట్లు గీసిన ఒక సరళ రేఖ x plus y is equal to 9 రేఖను ఖండించే బిందువు A నుండి 3 root 2 యూనిట్ దూరంలో ఉంటే ఆ రేఖా సమీకరణాన్ని కనుగొనండి. A straight line L is drawn to the point A2, 1. This is the point A2, 1. Let's say this is a straight line L. Such that its point of intersection with the line x plus y minus 9 is equal to 0. Let's say this is the point of intersection P. Such that its point of intersection with the line x plus y minus 9 is equal to 0 is at a distance of 3 root 2 units from A. This is 3 root 2 units from A. Find the angle which the line L makes with the positive direction of x-axis. Find the angle which the line L makes with the positive direction of x-axis. Okay. Now, let's say the line L makes an angle theta. Let the line L passing through. Let the line L passing through A2, 1 make an angle theta with the positive direction of x-axis. A2, 1 అనే బిందువు గుండా పోవు సరళరేఖ x అక్షం ధన దిశతో అపసవ్య దిశలో θ కోణం చేస్తుంది అనుకుందాం. Okay. Let P be the point of intersection of the line. Let P be the point of intersection of L with the line x plus y minus 9 is equal to 0. L మరియు x plus y minus 9 is equal to 0 అనే సరళ రేఖలు P అనే బిందువు వద్ద ఖండించుకుంటున్నాయి అనుకుందాం. వీడేమి ఇచ్చాడు మనకి AP is equal to 3 root 2 అని ఇచ్చాడు. Given AP is equal to 3 root 2. Therefore, P is equal to x1 plus r cos theta, y1 plus r sin theta. అంటే x1 అంటే ఎంత ఇక్కడ? x1 అంటే 2. 2 plus r is nothing but is 3 root 2. 3 root 2 cos theta and y1 is 1 and r is 3 root 2. 1 plus 3 root 2 into sin theta. This is P. P బిందువు నిరూపకాలు ఇవి అవుతున్నాయి. 2 plus 3 root 2 cos theta, 1 plus 3 root 2 sin theta. ఈ P అనే బిందువు x plus y minus 9 is equal to 0 సరళరేఖపై ఉంటుంది. P lies on x plus y minus 9 is equal to 0. Therefore, 2 plus 3 root 2 cos theta plus 1 plus 3 root 2 sin theta minus 9 is equal to 0. This gives 3 root 2 into cos theta plus sin theta is equal to 2 plus 1 is 3 minus 9 is minus 6. When it goes this side becomes plus 6. This is 2 times gets cancelled, root 2 times gets cancelled. Let's now divide with root 2. Cos theta plus sin theta by root 2 is equal to 1. Cos theta plus sin theta by root 2 is 1. This is cos theta into 1 by root 2 plus sin theta into 1 by root 2 is equal to 1. This can be written as cos theta cos pi by 4 plus sin theta sin pi by 4 is equal to 1. ఇదే రూపంలో ఉంది ఇది. Cos A cos B plus sin A sin B is equal to 1. What is cos A cos B plus sin A sin B? It is cos of A minus B. This gives cos of theta minus pi by 4 is equal to 1 is equal to cos 0. Therefore, theta minus pi by 4 is equal to 0, which gives theta is equal to pi by 4. Okay. So, the line is now making an angle pi by 4 with the positive direction of x-axis. Okay. This is about the problem number 4. Now, we'll go to the next exercise. And before going to next exercise, we shall see some theoretical point of intersection of two straight lines. Okay. How will you find the point of intersection of two straight lines? We'll see now. Okay. Right. రెండు రేఖల ఖండన బిందువుని చూద్దాం మనం ఇప్పుడు ఎలా కనుక్కోవచ్చో. We'll see how to find the point of intersection of two straight lines. The other one is L2. L1, the equation of which is a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, and this is L2, which is a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. L1 is a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, and L2 is a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Now I'm going to find out the point of intersection of these two lines. L1 is equal to a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 అనే ఒక రేఖ, L2 is equal to a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0 అనేది మరి ఒక సరళ రేఖ. ఈ రెండింటి ఖండన బిందువును కనుక్కుంటున్నాం మనం. Let's say P x0, y0 is the point of intersection of these two lines. For these two lines, let's say the point of intersection is x0, y0. This point P lies on the first line, hence the point P will satisfy the equation of the first line. So we will now get a1 x0 plus b1 y0 plus c1 is equal to 0. And this point P also lies on a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Therefore, we have a2 x0 plus b2 y0 plus c2 is equal to 0. Let me now take this the first equation. This is the second equation. మనకు కావాల్సింది ఏంటి? x0 y0 అనే బిందువు కావాలి మనకి. దాని గురించి మనం ఏం చేస్తామంటే ఈ రెండు సమీకరణాలను మనం సాధిస్తాం. We'll solve these two equations. In 10th standard, you have used the simultaneously solving equation method. See, here what we do is we put the coefficients. ఈ కోఎఫిషియన్స్ పెడతాం మనం. b1 c1 a1 b1 b2 c2 a2 b2 b1 c1 a1, again we'll write b1, the coefficients, b2 c2 a2, again we write b2. So here we put x0 y0 and 1. So x0 by, we'll use cross multiplication method, x0 by b1 c2 minus b2 c1, b1 c2 minus b2 c1 is equal to y0 by c1 a2 minus c2 a1, y0 by c1 a2 minus c2 a1 is equal to 1 by a1 b2, 1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. సో ఈ రెండింటిని మనం ఈక్వేట్ చేస్తే x0 వస్తుంది. x0 is equal to b1 c2 minus b2 c1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. y0 is equal to, ఈ రెండింటిని ఈక్వేట్ చేస్తే మనకి y0 వస్తుంది. y0 is equal to c1 a2 minus c2 a1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Therefore, P is equal to x0, y0 is b1 c2 minus b2 c1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1, c1 a2 minus c2 a1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. This is how we find the point of intersection of the two straight lines. Okay. So, ఈ థీరం అనేది అంత పెద్ద ఇంపార్టెంట్ కాదు కాబట్టి దీన్ని ఇలా నేర్చుకుంటే సరిపోతుంది. Next, we'll see the condition for the concurrency of three lines. This is how we found the point of intersection of two lines. Okay. Then we will see the condition for the concurrency of the two lines. And even if you want, you can just simplify the equations in this manner. Okay. You can solve in the 10th standard method also. a1 x0 plus b1 y0 is equal to minus c1. a2 x0 plus b2 y0 is equal to minus c2. Multiply this with A2, multiply this with A1, then what will this become? This gives A1 A2 x0 plus A2 B1 y0 is equal to minus C1 A2 or A2 C1. Let me put it as A2 C1 or C1 A2 only. C1 A2. Then this gives A1 A2 x0 plus A1 B2 y0 is equal to minus C2 A1. Change the sign, minus minus and plus here. Then both this get cancelled. Here A2 B1 minus A1 B2 into y0 is equal to C2 A1 minus C1 A2. So y0 is now equal to C2 A1 minus C1 A2 by A2 B1 minus A1 B2 minus common తీసుకుని పైన numerator and denominator లో. When you take minus common, this becomes C1 A2 minus C2 A1 by minus of A1 B2 minus A2 B1. So minus minus gets cancelled. ఇది రెండు ఒకటి. Okay, ఇది మీరు 10th class లో సాధించిన పద్ధతి. And now you are going to use a little better method than your 10th standard method. This here what you are doing is you are putting the coefficients. Y coefficient first పెడుతున్నాం, తర్వాత కాన్స్టెంట్ పెడుతున్నాం, తర్వాత x coefficient రాస్తున్నాం, తర్వాత మళ్ళీ y coefficient రాస్తున్నాం. అలాగే ఈ సమీకరణం కూడా సమాన విధంగా రాస్తున్నాం. y coefficient రాసాం, తర్వాత కాన్స్టెంట్ రాసాం, తర్వాత x coefficient రాసాం, తర్వాత y coefficient రాసాం. మనం గుర్తుంచుకోవడానికి వీలుగా x0 y0 1 అని పెట్టుకున్నాం. x0 బై క్రాస్ మల్టిప్లికేషన్ చేస్తున్నాం. b1 c2 మైనస్ b2 c1 is equal to y0 by c1 a2 minus c2 a1 is equal to 1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. ఓకే, సో ఈ ఈక్వేషన్ నుంచి మనకి x0 విలువ y0 విలువ వస్తున్నాయి. ఓకే, ఇలా అయినా కనుక్కోవచ్చు, ఇలా అయినా కనుక్కోవచ్చు, మనం ఏదైనా ఒక విధంగా కనుక్కోవచ్చు. Now we'll go to the next part of it, that is condition for the concurrency of three straight lines. Condition for the concurrency of three straight lines. అనుశక్త రేఖలు. ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ మనకి రెండు సరళ రేఖలు ఇచ్చారు వాళ్ళు. L1 is a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. L2 is a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. ఇంకొక రేఖ తీసుకున్నాం మనం. L3 is a3x plus b3y plus c3 is equal to 0. ఈ మూడు సరళ రేఖలు ఒకే బిందువు గుండా పోయినట్లయితే వాటిని మనం అనుశక్తాలు అంటాం. So if the three straight lines L1, L2 and L3, let's say this is the line L3. If these three straight lines are passing through the same point, then we say the three lines are concurrent lines. If the three straight lines pass through the same point, three or more lines pass through the same point, then we say those lines are concurrent lines. Now we are going to find the condition for the three lines a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0, and a3x plus b3y plus c3 is equal to 0 to be concurrent. Okay, if they are to be concurrent, what's the condition? All these three lines should pass through the same point. Now we solve the first and second lines. Let's say x0 comma y0 is the point of intersection of the lines. Then x0 comma y0 lies on the first line as well as second line as well as on the third line. So we'll put the third line equation also. Okay, so a3x naught plus b3 y0 plus c3 is equal to 0. Let's say this is the third line. Let x0 comma y0 be the point of intersection of these three lines. I shouldn't say point of concurrence of the three lines. Then x0 comma y0 lies on the first line, lies on the second line as well as on the third line. Now solving 1 and 2. Solving 1 and 2, we get, what do we get? We're getting x0 and y0 to be this. When the three lines are concurrent, this point x0 comma y0 should satisfy the third line also. Substituting x0 comma y0 in equation 3, we get, what do we get? a3 into b1 c2 minus b2 c1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1 plus b3 into c1 a2 minus c2 a1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1 plus c3 is equal to 0. Now the LCM is a1 b2 minus a2 b1. So this will give you now A3 into B1 C2 minus B2 C1 plus B3 into C1 A2 minus C2 A1 plus C3 into A1 B2 minus A2 B1 is equal to 0. A3 into B1 C2 minus B2 C1 plus B3 into C1 A2 minus C2 A1 plus C3 into A1 B2 minus A2 B1 is equal to 0. This is the condition for the three lines to be concurrent. Okay. So దీన్ని మనం determinant form లో రాసుకోవచ్చు. Determinant A1 B1 C1 A2 B2 C2 A3 B3 C3. If the determinant of the coefficients is equal to 0, then we say the three given lines are concurrent. Okay. This is about the condition for the concurrency of lines. Now what we do is we will take the problem number, we'll go to exercise 3C and we'll do the related problems to exercise 3B, and it is in the third section. Third section will take the second problem. Third section, second problem. So I'll just read out this problem. A straight line through P 3,4 makes an angle 60 degrees with the positive direction of x-axis. Find the coordinates of the point on the line which are 5 units away from P. Third section, second problem is going to be this. Already we did this kind of problem in the second exercise only. So a straight line through P 3,4 makes an angle of 60 degrees. Makes an angle of 60 degrees with the positive direction of x-axis. Find the coordinates of the point on the line which are 5 units away from P. Let's say this is the point A and this is the point B. These 2 points are at a distance of 5 units from P. Okay, if this is plus 5, this will be minus 5. This already we did in the second section. Okay, second exercise only we did this. You can do this problem as homework once again. Then coming to the third problem, a straight line through Q root 3, 2. Third problem, student, a straight line through Q root 3, 2 Q root 3, 2 makes an angle pi by 6 with the positive direction of x-axis. If the straight line intersects root 3x minus 4y plus 8 is equal to 0 at P, then find the distance PQ. This distance this distance we have to find out. Let's say these distances are that we are going to find now. Okay. Now, third problem, third section lo third problem exercise 3C lo third section lo third problem. ఒక సరళరేఖ Q root 3, 2 గుండా పోతూ x అక్షం ధన దిశతో 5/6 కోణం చేస్తుంది. ఒక సరళరేఖ Q root 3, 2 గుండా పోతూ x అక్షంతో ధన దిశలో 5/6 కోణం చేస్తుంది. ఈ సరళరేఖ root 3x minus 4y plus 8 is equal to 0 అన్న రేఖను P వద్ద ఖండిస్తుంటే PQ దూరం కనుక్కోండి. PQ దూరం కనుక్కోండి. Okay. Now let's say this is the line L. Let L be the line. The solution is going to be this. Let L be the line through Q root 3, 2 and making an angle pi by 6 with the positive direction of x-axis. Given L meets or L intersects the line root 3x minus 4y plus 8 is equal to 0 at P. Let PQ is equal to R. So Q root 3, 2 గుండా పోతూ x అక్షం ధనదిశతో 5/6 కోణం చేసే రేఖ L అనుకుందాము. ఈ L అనే రేఖ ఏం చేస్తోంది? √3x - 4y + 8 = 0 అనే సరళ రేఖను P వద్ద ఖండిస్తోంది. మనం PQని R అనుకుందాం. Then P will be equal to x1 plus R cos theta, y1 plus R sin theta. P is nothing but x1 plus R cos theta, y1 plus R sin theta. అంటే ఏమవుతుంది? x1 అంటే ఎంత ఇక్కడ? √3 plus R cos theta, R into cos pi by 6. y1 is 2 plus R into sin pi by 6. √3 plus R into cos pi by 6, 2 plus R into sin pi by 6. This is √3 plus cos pi by 6 is √3 R by 2, 2 plus R by 2. R into sin pi by 6 is R by 2. √3 plus √3 R by 2 and 2 plus R by 2. Okay. This point P lies on this line √3x - 4y + 8 = 0. ఈ P అనే బిందువు √3x - 4y + 8 = 0 సరళ రేఖపై కూడా ఉంటుంది. P lies on √3x - 4y + 8 = 0. Therefore, √3 into x ఎంత? √3 plus √3 R by 2 plus -4 into y is 2 plus R by 2 plus 8 = 0. This is 3 plus 3R by 2 minus 8, 4 to 8, minus 4R by 2 is minus 2R plus 8 = 0. 8 and 8 get cancelled. So, this is 3R by 2 minus 2R plus 3 = 0. This is 3R minus 4R plus 6 = 0. This gives R is equal to 6. That is PQ is equal to 6. మనం ఇంతకుముందు చేసిన ప్రాబ్లంలో ఏమడిగాడు వాడు? తీటా కోణం అడిగాడు. ఇక్కడ తీటా ఎంతని, ఈ దూరం ఇచ్చాడు వాడు 3√2 అని చెప్పి తీటాని అడిగాడు. ఇప్పుడు ఏంటి? తీటా ఇచ్చాడు, ఈ దూరం అడిగాడు. అదే డిఫరెన్స్. దీన్ని మరొక పద్ధతిలో కూడా మనం చేయొచ్చు. ఎలా చేయొచ్చు అంటే చూద్దాం.